This is the rig right here. So this is the redneck firework. See that ingenuity right there, folks? Nice. Oh, better than the Judy chop. Hold on. We go. Do one of these numbers. Here. Little gas can. Pour a little gas on it. Well, I guess. Oh, yeah. That ain't enough gas. Hold on. A little bit more. Oh, yeah. Here we go. We step back from her a little bit. The Judette with the firing. And we'll see what he does here. Did you miss it?
Go. Lower, lower. Get closer.
We get closer than that. Ah, that's it. Get another one.
Go grab him. Out of there, Danny.
Try to hurry up, Danny, because I only got a limited amount of footage here. Well, that didn't work out as planned at all.
Nah. You stand close, it bounces up off the thing.
Damn. We need some more gas before it dries back up?
I think so. Wait till he comes up. Let me get it lit.
Yeah, I think it... Do what?
I'm going to light it, then you got the gas on, but I'm not going to shoot this fire till you get it watch.
Alright. There he comes. He's coming back with the candle. Alright, here we go. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
I'll dump a little more gas on her, folks. Oh, yeah. Alright, there you go. Try to get a little closer than that, though. Well, this is not good. Oh, get out of here. Get out of here. We got double action on him right here. Double action. Oh, there we go. We got action. We got action. We got action. There's Danny with the hit. He got the hit.
He got the direct hit, too, didn't he?
Uh-huh.